Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can delete your account with Pollo AI. In order to do so, here we are in the App Store for iOS. And the first thing I can tell you is that if you try to go to the website on a PC, or even if you try to use Android Pollo AI, you're not going to be able to delete your account directly for them. So far, the only option that I've been able to find as far as deleting your account in a direct way is to actually go to the iOS store and to download the Pollo AI Kiss video generator. In fact, if you search for Pollo AI, there's a good chance that you're not going to find it. I actually had to search for Pollo AI Kiss at the very least before I was able to find the Pollo AI Kiss video generator. So if you're having a hard time finding the Pollo AI app, it seems at this point that your best option is to use the iOS store if you have access to it. Otherwise, you're going to have to contact Pollo AI directly, and you can send them an email to their support team in order to request your account to be deleted. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and open up the Pollo AI Kiss video generator here so you can see for yourself. And here on the bottom, we have our menu options. On the right hand side at the bottom, we have our profile icon. And then here up at the top, you'll see where you have the settings gear. So if we click on the settings gear, then here very clearly you can see the option to delete your account. Again, trying this on Android and trying this directly on the Pollo AI website, I was not able to find the option to delete the account. The only place that this appears to be available directly is with the Pollo AI Kiss generator, or you're going to have to contact Pollo AI directly in order to request that your account be deleted. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.